Hello everyone, welcome to Gayatri Reddy Traditional Designer Studio. This is your Lakshmi Reddy. Hope you all are doing good and we are good too. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a lovely regular wear sarees. They are very lightweight with a very comfortable fabric, can go for your regular wear. For orders, visit our website www.gayatrisarees.com. So now let's look into the collection. Wash care for these sarees are you can happily do home wash. So now let's begin. First one for today. So it's a beautiful bottle green color saree with full of batik print on it. So similar one which I'm wearing. And coming to the fabric, this is a nice linen with jute mix fabric. Complete all over goes in the mirror work buttas. So this is a complete saree. So they have just given a bottom portion mirror work with a red combination. And coming to the borders, they have teamed up with a lovely satin borders on either side. So wearing a satin borders feels very soft and comfortable and very lightweight sarees. This is a color and blouse in dark bottle grey. Blouse. Saree cost 990 rupees. One more color combination in this lovely regular weight sarees. So coming to this is a beautiful orange teamed up with a nice pink color combination saree. So complete saree goes like this in the batik print with a mirror work. So full of mirror work on the bottom portion. This is a complete saree. So very elegant in the dual shaded sarees. Pallu and blouse in pink combination. Blouse. Saree cost 990 rupees. One more beautiful color combination like the previous pattern. So this is with a nice brown and mustard combination saree. It's full of batik print again. This is the complete saree. So each and every color combination is really good with a dual shaded saree. This is the saree. And the bottom portion they have teamed up with a mirror work in a contrast color grey. So borders, they have given a satin borders. So we feel very comfortable to wear that. Pallu and blouse. Saree cost 990 rupees. One more multicolor combinational saree for you, the same fabric. So coming to this is in the lovely mango yellow and tomato red and even peach color in the middle portion. So it's full of batik print again with a 3 shaded saree, really pleasant and with a lovely mirror work on it. And pallu with full of mirror work. Blouse in red color combination. Saree cost 990 rupees. One more color in front of you in the combination of blues. So they have different combinational blues in navy blue and sky blue. So this is a complete saree with a lovely mirror work on it. The bottom portion. So full of the saree is with the batik prints and with very soft satin borders on either side. So these are very lightweight sarees, very comfortable to use regular wear. Pallu and blouse. Blouse. Saree cost 990 rupees. One more beautiful saree in front of you with a semi-kota fabric. So coming to this is the full of bandhani print. Coming to this is in the full of bandhani print style in the tomato red color combination. So complete saree goes like this with full of bandhani. Really elegant and the best pattern. So full saree will be like this with the lovely color combinations. And borders they have given 4 to 5 inches on either side. So this saree is very lightweight and will be best for your regular wear. Pallu full of mirror work on it and blouse. Printed blouse in red. So the price of this saree is 790 rupees. One more pattern in front of you. So this is a nice chiku color saree with full of white borders on either side of the saree. So borders, they have given 4 to 5 inches borders on the upper side and 6 to 7 inches in the bottom portion. So complete saree goes like this in the full of circle motifs. This is a full saree. Really elegant and very lightweight sarees. Pallu. It's full of zigzag prints and blouse in the self color. Saree cost 850 rupees. One more lovely color in front of you. This is in the beautiful rustic orange color, teamed up with a lovely white color borders in it. So complete saree goes same like the previous pattern with the circle motifs spread it all over the saree. So very lightweight sarees. No need to dry wash them. You can happily do home wash. Pallu and blouse. Saree cost 850 rupees. One more lovely color in front of you like the same previous pattern. So this is in the lovely grey with a beautiful white combinational borders on either side. So borders they have teamed up with 4 to 5 inches on the upper side and 7 to 8 inches in the bottom portion. So complete saree goes like this in the circle motifs with the contrast white. So really elegant and best for your regular wear. Pallu and blouse. Saree cost 850 rupees. Last saree for this lovely episode. So this is with a lovely light olive green color saree with a white combinational borders on either side. It is same like the previous pattern with full of white motifs, circle motifs spread it all over the saree with a very big borders. Very lovely sarees with the lovely colors. Complete saree, pallu and blouse with olive green with the satin border. So coming to the cost, it's 850 rupees. I'm done for today's episode. So they are very beautiful sarees with a comfortable fabric. So if you like the video, share with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you have any queries, write them in the comment section below. So thank you and have a nice day.